on, folks? It's Brian, and welcome back again to another Mail Call Monday. I got two things in the mail over this last week, and one of them I'm pretty excited about. But we're going to first start off with shop cards. We're going to say thank you to Glen over at Model Cars with Glen. We got his shop card in just the other day. I really like Glen's artwork style. It's a lot of fun. It reminds me of the cartoons that I used to read when I was a kid. They had the magazine, Cartoon Magazine. It just makes me think of that kind of nostalgia. But I'm just kind of blown away. Glen's been a long time commenter on our channel, probably as well as your channel too. But and we kind of encouraged him to help get his own channel going. I'm sure a lot of you other guys had as well. But it was a lot of fun to see him actually start posting videos and sharing some of his content with us. And we'll have a link down below to his channel. But thank you so much, Glen. Thank you for the card and for all of your continued support, sir. We've greatly appreciate that. Not to mention doing that model swap with us, and also the little bit, the extra bags of bits that you gave us. They've been dispersed throughout the stash right now, all those little bits of found homes and everything. But yeah, thank you again for the card. It's going to go into the binder of fame, sir. So you're going to be one of the crew. And now for the other bit of the mail call, and that is something I picked up on eBay that just arrived the other day, and that is this guy. Oh yeah, it's got a halo on it. Yes, we are all about the C600s right now. I've got a plan for this guy. I was halfway through, well, a quarter of the way through the build I'm doing right now. And we're calling that one the C600 tetanus cab. Guys have been talking about they can't watch the videos without taking a tetanus shot. So I take that to my heart, and I'm just going to use that as the name of the thing. Is going to be the tetanus cab. But after doing photographic research for ideas on how things are supposed to be laid out on a truck and all that kind of stuff, you know the drill. I've stumbled across some photographs of something that was just really cool, and I want to try and emulate that with this kit here. So hopefully this one does have the short frame in it, like the one that I'm building right now. This is a little bit of an older issue, so it might not have the coolness that the kit that I'm building right now has. Maybe I don't know, when they repop that one, maybe they cleaned up some stuff on there. I'm not sure. We're going to find out, because this is actually still says RC2 on it, so that's a little bit older. And let's see, vintage age. This is from 2005. So I think that was the most recent generation before the current one that I have now. But yes, I ramble. I'm very excited about getting started on this guy here. When I'm actually in the process of accumulating parts for that build, and kind of like trying to figure out how we're going to do a frame and stuff and everything. But we'll have a photograph of what we're planning to do at the end of this video. But in the meantime, we want to say thank you to all of our subscribers, all of our supporters, and to all of our commenters. Everybody leaves such wonderful comments. We really appreciate that, especially with the last video that we just did. I know it was extremely long. It was almost an hour long. It was like 30 seconds short of an hour long. But people are watching that. They are giving us great comments on that, great feedback, and it just tickles me to know, and to know that people are enjoying that type of thing. In the future, we're going to plan not to do videos that long, as a matter of fact, because it is an investment in time on your part, and I understand that. But we were covering a lot of territory, like I said in that video. We wanted to get that taken care of. So to be sure, you know, we're keeping stuff like that to between 20 to 30 minutes. Anyway, speaking of running long, that's all we've got to share right now. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I know we did. We just sort of hung out. Mrs. BG had to do some extra credit stuff for work. We call them CEUs or something like that. So continuing education stuff. So she had to do that for work, and so it was pretty quiet around the house, but we did get the chance to hang out and watch some TV and everything. And some of you have been asking how she's feeling and how she's doing with her knee issue. Turns out that she actually has a cartilage issue going on in there, and she's going to start physical training here this coming week. So they're going to start working on that, trying to get that better. It doesn't look like surgery is going to be a necessity if everything goes to plan with the PT training. So Fingers crossed there, everybody. All right, y'all, take it easy. Have a great rest of the week. We're going to tune in a little bit later on with a bench update. We got a couple things that we've been working on other than the C600 tetanus cab, but a couple of Bandai builds. One of them Star Wars, very inspired by the last Obi-Wan episode that we just saw the other day. So yeah, a little bit of deviation from the usual stuff here at the bench, but all cool stuff nonetheless. All right, everybody, take it easy, and we'll talk to you later on. Bye now. Oh, and stay tuned for that picture.